It is time now for medical rounds. This week is National Donor Sabbath, and it's held 2 weekends before Thanksgiving from Friday through Sunday. Faith leaders and faith-based organizations educate their congregations about the donor process and how religious beliefs play a role. Those who have received transplants also take part to help increase donor awareness. Now, one of these events just wrapped up at Hartford Hospital, and Dr. Oscar Serrano, a transplant surgeon at the hospital, is joining us live. Hello, doctor.
Hi, Kara. Nice to have you.
Nice to be with you. And tell us about the event you just held and why it's so important to raise awareness.
Well, the event we just had was an observance of the National Donor Sabbath, as you just mentioned. It's important because it's an opportunity for us to raise awareness about the Donor Sabbath.
Yeah, and tell us about the collaboration between Hartford Hospital and other community organizations, especially faith-based organizations.
So the Hartford Hospital Transplant Program, New England Donor Services, and the Urban League of Greater Hartford partnered together to basically combat social disparities during this holiday season, which happened to coincide with the Donor Sabbath. So in partnership with Food Share, we basically collaborated to host a food drive as well as a virtual fundraising campaign that would go on to benefit the Latter Rain Food Pantry of Hartford.
So great to see all those big bags of food, and you're helping people in so many ways. Religion can play a role. So talk about that and how important it is this week for transplant recipients.
So religion is very important, obviously. It's a very important facet of society. And I think what the Donor Sabbath does is it provides an opportunity to raise awareness. It brings together faith leaders, physicians, health providers, other donor organization leaders to raise awareness about how important organ and tissue donation is. As you mentioned, many religions emphasize organ donation and tissue donation as well as allowed, which many people are not aware of.
Yeah, it's important for people to know that sometimes it's even encouraged as a way to give. And that's really what you want viewers to know as they're learning about organ donation. What do you want them to walk away with?
Well, I think there's two very important things that I want people to take home today. Organ donation is the ultimate selfless act. You're basically giving a part of yourself for someone's benefit. The second thing, it's an opportunity to live on. So many people, especially donor families, take great comfort in knowing that their loved one lives on and is able to fulfill goals and motivations and work. And so it's very important for individuals to understand that organ donation is more than just one single individual living on. It's a whole community.
Yep. Doctor, thank you so much for the important information. And we want to let people know that they can visit hartfordhospital.org/transplant for even more information. Thank you for being with us, Doctor.